Alright, I have all of the groceries and I'm gonna go ahead and get these carried inside the house. I don't know why I'm talking so slow. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do this grocery haul a little bit different. I'm gonna pick up the camera and just kind of do a montage and not really talk through each item and why I got it. So let me show you what I got. Oh, I just want to point out that the majority of the stuff that I get from Walmart are snacks for school because they kind of come in box containers. I do get some fresh things, like I have meat, I have fruits. But I also end up going to Tom Thumb and getting like most of our dinner stuff and things like that. So yeah, so that's what I do. That's how I shop at Walmart. But again, sometimes I do end up getting like fresh things for the refrigerator. But let me show you again. What? Let me show you what I got. Alright, so that completes the grocery haul. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all of this put up, and then I will eventually go to Tom Thumb and finish out the rest of the things that I will need for the menu that I have planned. So that's how it goes at my house. I also put everything up in the pantry. I usually take the drinks out and organize them really nicely, but your girl is tired. I have all the chips. These are, again, just snacks. Those are my favorite. I eat those with my lunch, and I eat these with my lunch too. But there's the new pack there. And then this is where she kind of grabs for her breakfast sometimes. I make these for her breakfast sometimes. Yeah, so anyway, I got all this. I need to get some more canned stuff. I need to actually go through that still and look at the expiration dates. I haven't gone through all the cans, but that's pretty much it for all the groceries. And I have a video on how I organize this whole pantry with Dollar Tree stuff, so I'll insert the little card for you. Here is all the stuff that I got at Dollar Tree. You guys, look. What? I mean, I obviously don't have a little boy, and little girls like Legos too, and I know they make Legos for girls too, but you guys, I have never in my life, and I'm still collecting toys for the toy drive. Which leads me to the next part of this video. In one of my last vlogs, I was showing you guys all the toys that I had accumulated from the past Dollar Tree hauls, and talked about how my sister-in-law wanted to do a donation situation rather than, like, you know, people giving her gifts for her birthday. And so she found this organization. I need to ask her what the name of it is because I don't know. And because when I showed up to her house with all of those toys, she had boxes from this organization, like shoe boxes. I just assumed that we were gonna have like random actual shoe boxes, you know, that we had from, like, you know, just ordering our own shoes kind of thing. But no, they actually make their own boxes, and you could even choose, as you were putting together your box, you had to indicate which age range the box was for, and you could even select boy or girl. So that makes a lot more sense, because I just kind of thought, if we organize all this into a shoebox, these people are gonna have to go back through all of it to distribute it to the correct age, to the correct gender. And so it made a lot more sense once I got there and I saw these boxes, and I think the boxes are free. They just gave her a bunch of boxes, and you checked off the age range, and I think it went up to 14 years old, 15, I'm not really sure. But the only caveat was that this organization does this for Christmas. So she's gonna basically still accumulate things throughout the year, and once November kind of hits, that's when she'll turn in all the boxes. And also I think per box is $10 for I don't know what. So I'm going to, throughout this whole year, you know, every now and then when I see things like that, I'm gonna go ahead and start hauling them, because I don't want to confuse people, because I know a lot of you know I have a daughter, but she's 18. And no, I don't have any other little kids. I have my niece, but still, she's still a lot too young for a lot of these things. I pretty much only buy her books anyway, and hopefully that clears up some of your questions that you had about this organization. I'll find out the name of it and let you guys know in case you're interested. I don't know if it's just a Dallas-Fort Worth thing or if it's everywhere, but I'll find out, and by the time you watch this video, it will be, I'll either put a text or it'll be in the description box below for you. And just walked Loxie, brushed her down, didn't record that, but I did get a package from Amazon today, so this is gonna be the haul portion of today's video. But I got my Real Technique beauty blenders. I ordered this yesterday and got it today, so this is great. What did I just say? This is great. Yeah, so 14 bucks for all four. They're essentially $3.50 each. I think if I'm doing the math right, which in my opinion is not bad at all, considering the original beauty blender is $20 for one. And again, not that I've ever used the original beauty blender, so I can't compare this to that, but I've used this and I love it. So anyway, got that in the mail, and that's it for this portion of the video. I am going to probably mow the lawn here really soon.